Solve the problem. So that's why.
Solve it.
Treats are inside there.
Solve the problem. Solve the problem.
Are you getting them out, Jace?
Mommy, it's on you. Yes. Good one.
You got one? Not yet.
Almost. He was pushing it in the wrong direction. See, he's pushing it in the wrong
Wrong way.
direction.
Let's see how long it takes.
Yeah.
Come on, find it.
Find
No,
the
lost
treat.
interest.
Exactly.
Come on, have a look.
Go on. Go on.
Yeah, you can do it.
Almost there. Go on.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
From the other side.
He's not
From
got
the
it.
other side.
He's not. He's a bit
Not from
stuck.
that side, from the other side.
Let him try.
So close.
I'm trying to eat it. Looks like. Oh my god.
First one nearly.
Oh.
You just missed it.
Still haven't got any. I think it's the first one. He's more interested in the white bone than the treat.
I know. He thinks it's a bone.
Oh, yay!
That's
Well
why
done.
they made it look like a bone, so
Well
then
done,
they would be
Jace.
more interested when
You
they
found
would be
it.
good with that.
Any others? First one.
Any others, please?
Oh, you're trying that one now, is it?
Do you want to try again? Okay. Can I have that, please?
Leave it, just leave it, sweetie.
Okay, I'll leave it.
You can put it in his collection.
Things. He likes.
Go on. Oh, you're so close. Do this.
Go on, buddy.
Go on.
Yay!
He did Matthew, use this course.
Close, yeah.
Good job. That's what you're supposed to do.
Good
Oh,
job.
go on. Maybe don't distract him. He almost
I
got
got
it.
Oh, nearly got that one there.
Don't hold it.
I think there's treat in every one of them. So he's got two open at the moment.
He's
Come
going to
on.
have another one open.
Let's hope so. Should be learning how he did it previously.
Yeah, because
Taking notes.
because yesterday when we tried it, there was some not treats and some with treats, so he nearly did all of them.
Oh, he's trying to pick it up.
Pick it up. Daddy will call
Yay!
Yay!
Another one. Three of
Daddy,
them.
are you nearly ready?
Good boy.
You said not quite.
Look, that one's mine.
Lost interest now. And the
You want
rest.
that one?
He's happy with just the white bones.
Everybody will love but don't open up the kitchen door.
Is he going to take it to his crate?
I'm going to take it inside here.
I'm gonna take it.
Inside there.
Oh,
Go on.
Chase, spread it through the top.
Hey!
Off he goes into the crate. He found some treats in there.
You found some treats from the
We're
Easter
doing crate
Bunny.
training.